It's not fun to not have our own Tumblr icon, aka profile photo. Let's change it. Hello everyone, this is How Logical, and in this video we will look into changing profile photo in Tumblr. Let's begin. You want to select your blog from your dashboard by clicking on this account and choosing your blog. Now to the right there is blog settings, which has all the settings related to this blog. Once here we can see edit appearance on the top. Click on it. Now there is pencil icon. We need to click on it. Let's choose a photo. Let's choose something that reflects us, Pikachu, because we are Pikachu lady. Open it. Now save. To see if it indeed has taken effect, go to tumblr.com/Pikachu lady. Here we are. We have our brand new icon. Hope you liked this video. If you want to receive future video updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.